Timing. Trying to time it. And he throws it down to the ground. The ball. Cameron is not trying to be moving. And a good body shot. Yeah.
Isang laban na puno ng gulangan, suntukan at walang kapatawaran. Tara't balikan natin ang araw na binigyan ng libreng boxing seminar ni John Riel Casimero, ang kilalang hari ng pandaraya sa boxing. Ito ang kwento ng paghihiganti, gigil at tagumpay ni Cuadro Alas. Mapapatunayan lamang na isang Pilipinong boksingero ang kanyang galing pag dumadayo na ito sa ibang bansa, ngunit hindi na bago ang mga lutong laban. Pero itong si Casimero, ibang klase, hindi ito pumayag na hindi makaganti. At ang kanyang kalaban, aba, hindi basta-basta. Si Amnat Ruwen Roeng, undefeated IBF World Flyweight Champion at Certified Madaya. Magaling karate at Muay Thai bago pinasok ang boxing. Kaya pagdating sa laban may sipa, yakap at may kasamang takedown. Pero teka, ang buhay ni Amnat parang pelikula. Lumaki ng walang birth certificate, hindi agad tinanggap ng gobyerno dahil daw sa itsura niya. Lumaki sa hirap kasama ang kanyang lola. Bata pa lamang ay pinasok na nito ang laban hanggang sa nakulong at sinentensyahan ng 15 taon. Pero sa kulungan, doon siya natutong magboxing. Maraming naipanalong laban sa amateur hanggang naging Thai national champion at doon na siya nailabas ng maaga sa kulungan at sa loob lang ng 12 pro fights naging IBF champion matapos talunin ng Pinoy na si Rocky Fuentes. Unang laban nila ni Casimero naganap sa Thailand sa baluarte ni Renreng. Gulo, parang UFC. May buhat, may takedown, muntik pang mahulog si Casimero sa ring. At dito ay bistado ang pagpabor ng referee na pinabayaan lang ang masamang taktika ng kanilang boxer. Walang nagawa ang kampo ni Cuadro Alas. Natalo si Casimero kahit halatang halata ang daya. Pero teka lang, hindi pa tapos ang kwento. Gigil makabawi si Casimero, humingi ng rematch. Isang buong taon siyang hindi lumaban para lang manatiling mandatory challenger. At nang dumating ang araw, handa na siya. Sa Diamond Court, Beijing, China, ang kanilang pangalawang paghaharap. Unang round, maingat pero agresibo si Casimero na pinag-aralan paano tapusin ng maaga itong madayang kalaban.
Read the action now, Tom.
Yeah, Casimero's stuck and I'm not running around right now. I'm not throwing out his jab. Casimero's jabbing in return. I'm not looking to counter over the jab with the right hand. Amnat is a very good jabber, works very well off the He throws a clean overhand right over the opponent's jab very well, and he'll tend to smother his opponents as soon as he fires off a shot and lands in order to do a clinch and to avoid his opponent from getting any forward momentum with their shots, as he does right there.
Yeah, and I tell you, in that room, man, like, yeah, boy, good man, he's looking at the right, boy. Camaro's letting the right. Oh, here comes the wrestling. For some reason, he wants to stand toe to toe, and that's not really him. You see, look at that, how he's ducking behind. Him trying to put his foot behind it, Camaro, trying to trip him.
A lot of boxers in.
Second round, ayun na naman si Amnat, naglabas na naman ng mga pandaraya niya. Yakap dito, tulak doon. Pero ngayon, hindi na siya uubra. Alam na ni Casimero ang galawan niya.
Part of the IBF convention, they had Mike Tyson and Roy Jones there to enjoy the festivities and to basically just be a part of the whole IBF convention of South Africa and Ramon Pirames. But he also has wins over former champion Pedro Guevara of Mexico and Luis Lazarte. Well, Casimero is a former champion. He won it against the man I just mentioned, Luis Lazarte, the title that he previously held. But he eventually gave that up in order to move up in weight since he could no longer make one weight. And he fought Bruno. And of course, he lost that first fight. But he's doing real good here.
Yeah, absolutely. But I tell you what, and this is the thing I'm characteristic from him, right? He's kidology. He's coming back and he's standing. He's standing.
I'm not just getting a little bit.
And that's not really him. You see, look at that, how he's ducking behind.
Third round, gigiil na si Casimero. Gusto nang tapusin ang laban.
Shots, very close round. That's a very close round though. Because I'm not control the first couple of minutes.
Yeah. And you can go over way for the fight fans listening. EJ Box Live here with Nauta. Hear him. He wants to do that. And wrong way, beautiful left right.
Nice left hook.
Come to his fine, but it's them jumping, leaping punches. Casemira's trying to time him. Look at the name, he's trying to time him like that. And he throws him down to the ring underneath the bottom of the ring.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get in his head. He's really trying to get in his head. 20 weeks. Bourne's on that a second time. He may wind up getting points deducted.
At sa ikaapat na round, boom! Isang napakatamis na counter left hook sa panga ni Amnat. Bagsak si Madaya. Tumayo pa. Pero halatang lutang na ang kaluluwa.
There's the catch on here's the replay.
Oh, look at that!
And it traded hook. Counter left hook. Amnat was locked down.
And he looks hurt! Oh, he looks really hurt! And he's got up! Surprisingly up and up. I can't believe it!
At dito na pinakawalan ni Casimero ang kanyang bangis. Kombinasyon sa katawan.
And he's going in for the kill!
Oh man.
I told him
he's going in hard right now. I'm not throwing hard back.
he caught double
Get
right!
right off. Oh, big right hand.
And the fight has changed, and he's trying for the biggest and the big 10-8. And look, he's trying to time. And that run serious. I've never seen him hurt like that. I've seen him going down to a Williams Raw, but this one here, he looks really hurt. Really hurt. His legs.
Amnat's very hurt, but he's throwing back. He's throwing back with bad intention.
Yeah.
Nice over.
And he's trying to trip him. And he's trying to trip him. He's trying to trip him with his leg. I saw that in that row, man.
Yeah.
It looks like
Trying to survive.
Oh, I'll tell you what, man, and he's after him. And the Philippines trying to take out a year of frustration after what happened in Thailand, and he's taking out that run right.
Go to right to the body.
And he's definitely Cameron is not trying to be hold on, and he won't be denied. And a good punish shot, he's done it.
At sa wakas, bagsak ang hari ng daya. Durog ang atay. Wala nang daya-daya. Wala nang drama. Game over ang Thai champion.
To the body.
And the champion is down. And you don't look like he's gonna get up. Is he gonna get up? Now the fight was waved up by 20 weeks. And we have a new IBF flyweight champion.
But Casemira's landed flush on the chin. And then finally, the left hook to the body. 1, 2, 3, perfectly placed. Right to his liver. You see Casemiro showing out after he drops him, showing that bad blood between them, and he's happy.
Cuadro Alas, new IBF flyweight world champion. At higit sa lahat, dito na umpisang natakot si Naoya Inoue. Mga idol, kung ganitong klaseng suntok ang tumama kay Naoya Inoue, sa tingin niyo, tatagal kaya ang monster o masusundan ang nangyari ni Ruen Roeng? Ilagay niyo sa baba ang opinyon niyo at isama na rin kung saan kayo nanonood para alam namin kung hanggang saan ang suporta ninyo kay Casimero. Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-share at syempre pakisubscribe para sa mas marami pang laban na hindi mo dapat palampasin.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.